This is Be Thou My Vision in the key of G by Eleanor Henriette Hall. And as always, you can click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so let's take a look at the three main chords in the key of G. We have G, C, D, and then we have E minor and A minor, okay? So the G chord is G, B, D. Move up here to the C note. We have C, E, G, C chord. Move up one note, and then we have a D major. So it's D, F sharp, A. Makes this triangle shape, which is really nice. Okay, and then we have E minor, so just move up one note, and we have E, G, B. Okay, then we just need to find our little A minor, which is right here, A, C, E. Okay, so review, we have G chord, A minor, C, D, E minor. That's it. All right, so let's figure out what the left hand's gonna be doing. I'm just gonna play single notes, and I'm gonna leave the left hand here the whole song, so that way you're not having to move all over the keyboard and lose where your hands are at. So let's play G note with G chord. C to C, D triangle to D in the bass, E minor to E single note. You're just opening your thumb here, just swinging it open. And then when we play that A minor, you just play A single note with the A minor chord up here. All right, so let's figure out the rhythm that's gonna bring the two hands together. And I like to just do it really simple, like together, right, right, together, right, right, and so on. Just getting your hands into that nice marching rhythm. Together, right, right. Practice that on the A minor. Together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right. And you can practice through all the chords if you'd like. All right, so let's bring in the vocals, and you'll know how it sounds when we bring two hands together and the vocals. Here we go. I'm gonna sing through the first two lines, and then I'll go back and kind of break it up into some chunks for you. All right. Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart, not be all else to me save that thou art. See that nice marching rhythm? Let's look at the third line there. C is going to start us out. Thou my best thought by G chord, day or by. Watch this little tricky change. Night. Notice I went 2 beats and then picked up the third on that D triangle, okay? So that third line goes like this. Thou my best thought by day or by night. See? Night. Then they're gonna walk up to that E minor. Waking or sleeping, thy A minor presence my light. Okay, let's just look at verse 2. G, D, C, G, D, D, C, go to the C chord. This is that third tricky line, right? Thou my great Father, G, I thy true, C, D, move up to the E minor, thou in me dwelling, and A minor with thee one. Okay. So let's go through the third verse. Even though each verse is the same, there's no new chords. It's very simple, repetitive chording. The third verse has just some different lyrics that kind of can trick you up a little bit. But here we go. High King of D, heaven my victory won. May I reach heaven's joys heaven sun. C chord, heart of my own, heart would ever befall. E minor, still be my vision, oh, A minor, G. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Have a lot of fun. Here we go.